Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. I am your teacher from Future Concern Grammar School, Sargodha. Today we will learn about the parts of body. The first part of body is eyes. The eyes help you to see things around us. The second part of body is ear. Ears. The ears help us to listen the things around us. The third part of body is nose. The nose helps you to smell the things. The fourth part of body is teeth. The teeth helps you to bite and chew delicious food. The fifth part of body is neck. The neck helps you to hold up the head. It also contains several blood vessels that allow blood to reach the head and brain. The sixth part of body is hand. The hands help you to do a lot of things. The hands help you to play sports. They help us to do heavy labor like fixing a nail on wall. Even when we're talking, our hands tend to move to express what we want to say.